Good morning, everyone. It's Eliana here. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. So after taking that video, I turned on this heated blanket and my dog came and I just slept and now it's 9:41. I took that video at like 7. I think that's the kind of day it's gonna be today. Very lazy. Post thrifting, I am going to now cut off all of the tags from yesterday's haul and today's, which I haven't shown you, but I will. Today is Monday for me, but you're watching this on Tuesday, and I go to Goodwill with my grandma because she gets the senior discount. So in return, I get a discount. I don't know. I'm gonna go see what my mom's suggestion is for this. We're back now for part of today's thrift haul because some of the pieces I'm not washing because they're brand new and or not really washable, so I'll like spray them and wash them by hand. But I found this for my mom. She loves Metallica. Oh, my brother's home. Hold on. I'm hoping it'll be a nice oversized jacket for her because that's what she's been really liking these days since, you know, she's got lots of stuff going on health-wise. Comfort is a priority. Then I found these Free People denim peplum pants, and I just feel like these are totally someone's vibe. I do need to get this dirt out of them, but washing that will do that. Gotta spray a little OxyClean on it just to give it a little extra help and make sure that's the only thing. OxyClean, if you are also a reseller, this OxyClean stain remover gets out almost anything except for oil stains, but highly recommend. It works wonders for me, and so I'll buy things people reject because I can usually get the stain out that they have a problem with. Then I found these, I just put them inside out, these White Fox Active shorts, and people have been raving about them on YouTube, on the YouTube channels that I watch. People like love their activewear, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's really cool, like camo-esque jacket. It's like khaki, I don't know, it's really cool. It's giving kind of safari chic. And then I also found these Urban Outfitters camo pants as well. I'm gonna put more stuff in the load from prior thrift trips. I'll show you this. I'm not gonna wash it because it's dry clean only, but this Juicy Couture cropped peacoat, so cute. And then these are brand new PacSun jeans with the cool little studded cutout. They're a size 32. And then I found this brand new Zara maxi dress. The tag is still on it. There is a slight little hole here. So cute. Obviously not gonna wash that. I found this Maeve cardigan, Saks Fifth Avenue dress. Now I'm going to show you the rest of what I got today and put this stuff here that needs to be photographed, and then I have some that needs to be sorted. Basically what I'm doing, because I've been thrifting a lot, is I'm trying to build up my inventory before Christmas so I don't feel like I need to be thrifting near Christmas and I can just relax. So I'm trying to build up enough inventory that I'm good through the end of the year, so I'm kind of going a lot, plus I need to have a lot of inventory anyway. So I found these PJ salvage pajamas, brand new with the tags still on, and we love that. And it's their Reloved collection, so I feel like it's super cute. This actually, the associate at the store remembered that I had accidentally dropped it out of my bag and kept it for me until the next time I came in, which they don't always do, but because they know me and I'm a regular, they did it for me because they know that I come in often enough, but I didn't come in within the 3 days, and usually you have 3 days and then they put it back out, but they saved it for an extra day for me because they knew I usually come in on Mondays. Then I found this hot mod, I don't know, like faux fur fuzzy little crop jacket. I just love the color. It's not translating. There we go. Now you're seeing an accurate representation of the color. So we have that, and then I got this bag. How cute is the little floral detail? It's super structured, super nice. I don't know the brand. It's not real leather or anything, but I feel like it's so cute and dainty. So I feel like this is really fun. Also got this bag. Look how cute. Just a cute denim moment. I feel like it needs to be filled. It needs to have some stuff in it to give it a little more structure, and it'll be so cute. I mean, it's cute like this, but you can just tell it's flat and kind of feels like 2D instead of 3D. So love that. And then it has a cute little clip closure there. One thing that I got today to show you are these leather little ballet flats, but they're like corset vibe. I don't know, they're so cute. They're mandolin / camel. They're from Chinese Laundry, but I got a discount today, so I thought it would be fun to try and sell these because they're so cute. I feel like these are such a cute vibe. Anyway, that's a little thrift haul for today. Now I'm going to go eat some lunch, and then I'll see what happens after that, as will you. Is anyone else's dog like this, or is it just mine? Why? Redecorating. Hey, leave it. Just dropped off another depop package. Now I'm getting my mom's prescription. Time to cook some dinner. I'm currently peeling a sweet potato. However, this is not for me because, fun fact about me, I don't like sweet potato. I don't like butternut squash. I especially don't like butternut squash. I can pick this out of pretty much anything it's in.
Sunset dreams, they take me away to a place where I can stay in your arms right night and day.
It's time to feed Bubba, but I want you to see how frantic this man gets. Good boy. Sit. Wait. Ah. Wait. Yes. Here's to another night ending with anxiety. If I don't hang out in my room and just sit in my bed, it will probably lead to an anxiety attack. I would love to just be normal. It would be wonderful. I have a call with my psychiatrist in a week, so I'm gonna talk to her about this because I'm wondering if it has to do with my time of the month where when my hormones change, my anxiety also spikes, because every other week I'm totally fine. But I feel like I've had it spike the last couple periods. Yeah, anyways, maybe a little TMI. But if any other ladies are also on anxiety meds, let me know if you experience higher anxiety around your period or not. And with that lovely note, I'm gonna end the vlog here because there's nothing else I'm gonna be doing. So there's nothing else to film. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm thankful you're here. Until next time.